Hey guys, so I have my old phone, my new phone just broke, so hopefully you can see me and hear me. These are what I usually use, is these high hotbeds. Hello Jasmine, how are you doing? So those are what I usually use to plant into, but right now I'm using the Aircrete beds, and I never added any manure to them. And that's what I'm finding difficult, is that when I use a sterile solution, a sterile potting soil, I have a really hard time getting these seedlings to come up right. So what we've done instead, and the video that I took that is on my my new phone that is now in for repairs that I now cannot access, was of us planting these tomatoes. Now that I have had a difficult time getting seeds to start well in here, I'm now going to try tomatoes, something that I can plant deep, it'll hold water better, and I just want to see what's going to happen. So much of what you do in the garden is experimentation, and if you don't have multiple ways that you are planting, I think you're selling yourself short, because some years one thing works and something else doesn't. It's not the fault of the Aircrete bed. The Aircrete bricks are wonderful. The reason there's some grass around it is because I'm trying to be really careful not to chip the bricks because they are brittle. So I'm experimenting with the Aircrete bed. Make sure to go check out Honeydew Carpenter. He's the one who made these bricks and my rocket stove. And I think it's a lovely bed, but I do find that I struggle with gardening when I don't have rabbit manure, and that's just, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. But hopefully these tomatoes make it. The fact that we did it with these bricks instead of in solid pieces means we do have more air flowing through the bed, and that might be part of the problem, is that it's just drying out too quick. So we'll have to see, and I'll put up some more videos, or I'll put in links to us building the Aircrete bed, of Darwin pouring it, and the success we had with it last year, and I'll try and show that to you. If you're interested in Aircrete, make sure again to check out Honeydew Carpenter and everything that he's doing, and we'll talk to you later.